Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. A very happy Valentine's Day to you, all of you Scorpios. I hope you are celebrating it with your loved ones today, guys. So these are for your general energy, Scorpios. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what are the cards we have. Knight of Swords, Two of Cups in reverse, and Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe in your career or in your personal life, guys, Scorpios, some new partnership or collaboration has come up, or someone you love has come with a proposal, and you are really happy. You were just waiting for this time, waiting for this chance, and you are rushing towards that choice or that person, guys. And you are a person who has firm belief in your own ideals and you trust in yourself. So this person you love, you may have that total trust on them, total faith on them, or it may be in your career. Maybe you were expecting this option to open up for you or this offer to come for you, and it has come today. Some kind of a business collaboration, or it may be a partnership, and you are rushing headlong towards that choice without thinking, guys, because you believe in yourself and you believe that this may be the right thing that may work out for you. But I also see that something has to be dealt carefully in your situation, guys. So maybe in your career situation, this choice you are taking up this new path, you have to think about the pros and cons before making a very important decision today. So it may hold some unknown facts, guys. There may be something, what to say, there may be some hidden truth in that choice. So it may not satisfy all that criteria that you have in your career, or maybe this person you love, you are rushing towards something, maybe a deep commitment with them. But before that, you need to think clearly, guys, because for some of you, I see that appearances are deceiving. So what this person is saying or what they are doing may be different from what they have uh, in their heart, guys. So the words they speak may not be from their heart. So you need to be really careful, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Two of Wands in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, maybe you are surprised or you are feeling wonder about some things. Maybe you have learned something about this person, or you are taken by surprise about something they are doing. So maybe for some of you, I also see fear. You are afraid of certain things. Maybe you are afraid that this person may leave you if you don't make a step towards them or make an important decision in this love. So that may be the reason you are rushing towards something. But if it is true love, guys, this person will wait for you forever. And I see with this card, you are taken by surprise. Maybe they are changing their ways, or whatever fears or doubts you had with them it is just disappearing, but what they are going to do today, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Ace of Wands. So a new beginning in your career, guys. I see a fresh start, maybe a new career path or some kind of a job, new job opening, something which uses your skills and talents, which is simply challenging you today and about which you are really passionate. So, those kind of new beginnings are coming in your situation, Scorpios. So, that is the reading for you all today, guys, Scorpios. If you want to watch the Valentine's Day special pick a card love reading, I have that pick a card reading coming up right now, guys. For your pick a card love reading, guys, I have two cards. Today is Valentine's special. So each card comes with a special guidance for you, what you need to do today, guys. So you can close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading will resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, guys. So let's start after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So what do we have here? We have breathe. This is your card for today, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So this card comes with a special guidance, and that guidance is to have patience today, wait and take everything slowly. So this is a time patience is called for in everything, guys. So you need not hurry, you need not be hasty about any decision or about anything. Heart needs time to open, take a breath, and let nature take its own course. So you need to wait. You need to give up all that worries and stress, whatever you have in your situation. Release all that tension you have and just enjoy this present moment. Waiting won't prove difficult, guys. In your heart of hearts, you will know what is right, but your ego will not know, will resist that learning. So you have to be really patient. That is what this card calls for. Just breathe and just be. And patience is going to pay off in more meaningful ways than ever, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So if you are rushing to make some important decisions, this may not be the time for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. We have Aqua or a Quartz. That is your card for today. So this card just means that connecting to that infinite potential that we have in ourselves and knowing the purpose of our life. So we meet so many people, but in our life we often find our soulmate somehow, and we land up together in unexpected ways, guys. So friends and family or people we like, we meet in the most unexpected places and in an unexpected way. And love makes itself known just as you are beginning to doubt whether it is really there for you, guys. So this crystal spirit, it comes with a special message, guys. You need to be childlike with that wonder and believe in magic. If you do that, if you believe in magic and believe in the power of love, no matter how dark your situation is, love will find you for sure, guys, and you are not forgotten. So, love is everywhere, and even in the darkest hour, it is right there, right in front of you. So, you just need to let it find you. That is what is the necessary thing, guys. So, that is the reading, guys. So, this person you love, or a friend or a family whom you are missing, is going to come towards you this Valentine's Day, guys. That is what I see with this card, with this crystal spirit. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.